Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world. As we've seen in recent weeks, the UK has experienced an unprecedented number of grass fires, with devastating consequences for our countryside and the creatures that inhabit it. The West Midlands, in particular, has been hit hard, with numerous fires breaking out across the region. But what is behind this surge in wildfires, and is there hope for recovery? To answer these questions, let's take a closer look at the impact of these fires on our ecosystems. When a wildfire sweeps through an area, it can leave behind a scorched landscape, devoid of life and color. The immediate effects are stark habitats are destroyed, wildlife is displaced or killed, and the soil is left barren and vulnerable to erosion. However, as we've seen in cases like Wildken Hill in Norfolk, nature has a remarkable ability to bounce back. After a devastating fire in 2022, the area has begun to recover, with vegetation regenerating and wildlife recolonizing the affected areas. This resilience is a testament to the incredible adaptability of the natural world. The recovery is not just a matter of waiting for nature to take its course. Conservation efforts play a crucial role in restoring damaged habitats and preventing future fires. By planting native broadleaf trees, restoring rivers and wetlands, and protecting unburnt areas, we can create more resilient landscapes that are better equipped to withstand the threat of wildfires. As Dr. Kate Ashbrook, a conservation ecologist, notes, the most important thing to do is to protect the unburned habitat. Any areas that escape the fire will contain the surviving animals or life. This approach not only helps to preserve biodiversity, but also provides a foundation for long-term recovery. So what can we do to prevent these devastating fires in the first place? The answer lies in changing our behavior. By avoiding disposable barbecues and campfires in green spaces, not dropping lit cigarettes, and taking litter home, we can significantly reduce the risk of wildfires. As Dominic Buskell, founder of Wildken Hill, puts it, everyone has a role to play. Most wildfires are caused by human activity, which means most are preventable. By working together, we can create a safer, more resilient countryside that benefits both people and wildlife. As we look to the future, it's clear that climate change will continue to pose a significant threat to our natural world. But by taking action now, we can mitigate this risk and create a better future for generations to come. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. In the vast and arid landscapes of South Africa's Karoo region, a team of dedicated researchers and their canine companions are working tirelessly to track and protect some of the continent's most elusive and endangered species. Led by Michelle Schroeder, a passionate conservationist, this team has been using specially trained detection dogs to locate and study animals that are notoriously difficult to find, such as the black-footed cat, Temminck's pangolin, and the riverine rabbit. These incredible dogs, like Laika and Sabala, have been trained to follow the scent of their target species, often in challenging environments where humans would struggle to survive. With their keen sense of smell and agility, they can navigate rocky outcrops, dense thickets, and sandy dunes with ease, allowing researchers to gather vital data on the habits and habitats of these mysterious creatures. One of the most remarkable aspects of this project is the way the dogs have been able to help conservationists identify critical habitats and prevent development projects that could harm these sensitive ecosystems. For example, by confirming the presence of riverine rabbits in areas proposed for wind energy developments, the team has been able to advocate for the protection of these vital habitats. But what is truly inspiring about this story is the deep bond between the researchers and their canine companions. These dogs are not just tools or instruments, they're beloved friends and partners in conservation. As AIDailyPress Sane, an ecologist working with canines for nature, so beautifully put it, dogs are not just service animals or team members, they are also companions for life. They have an off switch, they can relax at home, and live alongside people and other animals. The work of Michelle Schroeder, her team, and their incredible detection dogs is a testament to the impact that dedicated individuals can have on the world around them. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, I'd like to take you to a picturesque corner of Cumbria, where a remarkable transformation is underway. Meet Jessie and Joe Roper, a couple who inherited an 80-acre farm near Cockermouth with a vision to turn it into a wildlife restoration project. This decision wasn't taken lightly, especially considering Jessie's father, Jim Parkin, had managed the farm for years before his sudden passing in 2023. Despite having little farming experience, Jessie and her husband Joe decided to leave their life in Manchester behind and take on the challenge of preserving the farm's future. It's a story of dedication, innovation, and a deep love for nature. As we delve into their journey, it becomes clear that this project is not just about restoring habitats, but also about ensuring the long-term viability of the farm. With the help of Environment Bank, a biodiversity organization, Jessie and Joe are embarking on a 30-year nature recovery plan. This ambitious endeavor involves using grazing animals to help restore habitats, a method that will see traditional summer hay cuts and cattle grazing become the long-term management mechanism for the site. The significance of such projects cannot be overstated, especially in the context of the UK's significant biodiversity loss over many decades. Nature recovery projects like this one are crucial as they provide a secure, diversified source of income, allowing landowners to invest in the long-term future of their land while supporting wider environmental outcomes and the rural economy. Jessie and Joe's decision is also driven by the desire for financial security, something that traditional farming often cannot guarantee. The lease payments from Environment Bank, coupled with payments for managing the land through livestock grazing and hay cutting, offer them a 30-year guaranteed income. This diversification is a safeguard against the unpredictability of farming, where factors like weather can significantly impact profit. While their choice to pursue rewilding has faced skepticism from other farmers in the area, Jessie and Joe believe that this path would have had Jim Parkin's approval. His love for nature is a legacy they are keen to honor, making this project not just an environmental endeavor, but also a personal tribute. As we reflect on Jessie and Joe's story, it reminds us of the power of individual actions in contributing to broader environmental goals. Their journey from city life to becoming stewards of the land is a testament to the human spirit's capacity for change and adaptation in pursuit of a greater good. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.